Welcome to Richland Community College's CNC machining lab. This is a MCO PC Mill 125. It's one of our training mills to begin to teach and train CNC machinists on what they need to know to be able to operate and run one of these machines. Now, the class that's this fall is the beginning class in sequence, ENGT 104. In that class, we will teach you the basics of beginning to understand motion control and setup of this machine. You'll learn how to change out the cutting tools. You'll learn about the work holding and how to put it in to a part into there and how to machine those parts to a print. You will learn how to read the G code. That is what controls the movement on these machines, and with that you'll begin to understand a little bit of the basics of writing programs, all based on the Cartesian coordinate system, in order to machine and make parts. And we will be making several different projects using this machine to cut and you'll learn how to set up and basically start to run these machines. It's a fascinating career choice. Machinists in our area make anywhere from $20 to $25 an hour, and there is a big demand for people with the right skills and knowledge in this equipment. Check out our catalog and come in, sign up for classes. Classes start August 19th.